patience. Everything is not meant to be forced because everything has its own timeline. Thomas Alva Edison, he made 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing a light bulb. Even the great scientists went through failures before giving the humankind a better life. So sometimes you just need to trust in the process, and that's totally okay to make mistakes. And the last P is pray. If you put 80% of your effort, the rest 20% of it should be your faith. Keep moving forward and be grateful. Failure number 1, you learn from it and keep trying. But what about failure number 274? Same. You learn from it and keep pushing. Evaluate yourself and do it again, do it again. Do your part and let God do the rest. Failures are experience, and experience is your best teacher.